In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update a contact name in Gmail. Now, this might seem like a small task, but ensuring that your contact list is up to date is surprisingly important. It helps maintain clarity and avoids confusion, especially if you receive emails from multiple contacts with similar names. So let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open Gmail in your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser of your choice, just ensure you're signed into your Gmail account. Once you're in, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a grid or apps icon, which looks like a square made up of smaller squares. Click on this icon. Next, from the options that appear, you need to select Contacts. This will open up a new tab or window depending on your browser settings, taking you directly to your Google Contacts page. Here, you'll find a list of all the contacts saved to your Google account. Now you've made it to your contacts. To find the specific contact you want to update, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type the name of the contact, and it should pop up immediately. You can also scroll through your list if that's your preference, particularly if you need a quick overlook or reminder of other contacts. Once you've located the contact that needs updating, click on their name to open up the Details page. Here, you'll see various options and fields containing the current information you have on them. Now, to update the contact name, find the Edit icon. This typically looks like a little pencil and is usually located towards the top right of the contact detail page. Go ahead and click on that icon. You're now in editing mode, meaning you can make changes to the information. Find the name field, which should be one of the first fields you see. Click into it, and then you can make the necessary changes or corrections to the contact's name. Double-check that the details are entered correctly, as typos can lead to future confusion or failed communications. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button. It should be at the bottom or top right of the page, depending on how your interface is set up. Click it to finalize the update. Congratulations, you've successfully updated the contact name in Gmail. Keeping your contacts organized and updated not only simplifies your communication, but also enhances your professional and personal interactions. It's a simple task, but one that contributes significantly to efficient email management. So don't hesitate to regularly go through your contacts and make necessary updates whenever needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.